Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how I make this delicious white coconut rice and shrimp sauce. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I have water boiling in the pot. I will add the rice and stir. I'll parboil the rice for 5 minutes before washing the rice to get rid of some of the starch from the rice. Once it's 5 minutes, I will remove the rice from the stove and give it a quick wash. In another pot, I will add freshly made coconut milk and I will show you how I make this coconut milk later. Cover it a bit and bring it to a boil. Once the coconut milk comes to a boil, I will add salt, shrimp powder, shrimp cube, sliced peppers and onions, the parboiled washed rice, and stir. I'll cook the rice for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is ready. I will add the rest of the coconut milk and stir. I'll be cooking this rice on a medium to low heat until the rice is ready. So let's see how the rice is doing. I'm going to give the rice a stir, and at this point this rice is ready. It tasted so delicious. You can enjoy this rice just the way it is. You can also enjoy the rice with any sauce of your choice, and this rice smells amazing. I will turn off the stove. To make the shrimp sauce, I'll be using bell peppers, garlic, onions, carrots. I have everything nicely sliced. To season, I will use salt, onions powder, shrimp powder, dried pepper. To the shrimp, I'll add the shrimp powder, onions powder, dried cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt. I'll mix everything together. I'll leave to marinate for 10 minutes before cooking it. In a pan, I'll add a little bit of coconut oil. You may use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, I'll add the shrimps and I'll be cooking them on a high heat. I'm just going to keep stirring it. You can allow them to cook on one side and flip it to the other side. But because I'm cooking a lot, I'll be stirring it. I'll cook them for 6 minutes until the shrimps become pink. Shrimps do not take time to cook. You don't want to overcook the shrimps. Once the shrimps are ready, I'll remove them from the pan. In the same pan, I will add some coconut oil back. Once the oil is hot, I'll add diced onions. Stir and fry the onions for about a minute. I'll add the diced carrots. The carrots are tougher than the rest of the vegetables. I'll cook them for 2 minutes. I'll add the bell peppers and garlic, black pepper, salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey. The honey is going to take this sauce to another level of deliciousness. I'll stir everything together. I'll be cooking the bell peppers for 1 minute. And I am cooking on a high heat. Then I'll add the shrimps back inside the pot and then give it a very nice stir. And this sauce smells divine and it tasted so delicious. Once everything is well stirred together, the sauce is ready. I'll remove the shrimp sauce from the stove. You can mix it up together with the rice, but I like to serve them separately. Our food is ready. I'm going to serve myself with some of the white coconut rice and the shrimp sauce. And this food was very delicious. So keep watching because I'm going to show you how I make the coconut milk in this video. And I'm just going to enjoy myself. The food was very delicious. To make the coconut milk, I use 2 coconuts and they are well washed. I'll be breaking the coconut with the back of a knife. Once the coconut is broken, I'll remove the shelf and carefully open it so I don't lose the coconut water. And I'll transfer that in a bowl. Coconut water is very delicious. It's also healthy. I will repeat this process with the second coconuts. Once everything is nicely broken, I'll be using table knife to remove the coconut from the shelf. And when doing this, you want to be very careful so you don't hurt yourself. I will repeat this process with the rest of the coconuts. Once everything is done, I'll cut it into smaller pieces to make the work easy for the blender. You can also grate them as well. So that is done. I'll give the coconut a quick rinse and then transfer it inside the blender. I'll add hot water. The hot water helps the coconut milk to come out. And blend. Once that is done, I'll pour it inside a nut bag. You can also use a strainer as well. I will tie the bag and squeeze out the milk. Coconut chaff can be used to make coconut flour. The homemade coconut milk is ready, very creamy and delicious. You can also store any leftover in the refrigerator. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.